Okay, halfway through day number 2, laying the seed down. We have what we think to be the grade we want. Couple rocks here, sign foundation. There's that drain from the house. It's exposed now and working properly. We come all the way down here, getting prepared for seed. And down here is that well I talked about. So the whole swale is coming right through here, and between the road there, we've got about just a few inches pitch from that pipe, halfway up that pipe as a matter of fact, through here and down there. This is a muddy mess, but I think it's worked out. This Kubota here floats more than anything I've seen. That is a good machine, and it's working its way down. So we have to clean this area up halfway through day number 2. I'll check back.